Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel RPA Space. In the last session, we have seen how to extract the data from multiple pages using extract data from web page option. So now we're going to see how to write the data table into Excel using Power Automate. Right, so without getting delay, let's jump back to today's video. As I mentioned earlier, so we have seen how to extract the data from multiple pages and stored in data from web page as a variable. Now we want to write the entire thing into an Excel. To do that, what could be like a better way to do it, right? So now for that, you had to launch an Excel and then you had to use to Excel sheet action and then followed by that save Excel, then close Excel as an option. So you can see the right hand side, the screenshot of the actions which I placed it here. One launch Excel will be opening Excel and then write will be having an input which is nothing but a data table where we are going to write, and where you want to write that particular instant will be auto populated. If you want to rename, you could do that as well. And it will again ask you to save on which format, either it could be CSV and other things, which is under save Excel action. And if you don't want to change any format and things, you can directly use close Excel with save as an options. Right. So what are the actions which is required for you to like write a table and save it into an Excel worksheet? For that, you need Excel launch action and then write to Excel and then followed by the close Excel. Save Excel action can be incorporated within close Excel itself if you don't want to change the format of the Excel file. That's one option which is included in addition. Right. So without getting delay, we'll jump back to automate this Power Automate action and see how this is happening in practical part. As I said, this extraction part is already from previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video to extract the data from the page, you can just go ahead and have a look on that. All right, so now we could see that it already got extracted. Now we want to open an Excel and write it, right? So for that, what you had to do, you had to use launch Excel as an action. And it will have you an option, either you want to open as a blank document or you want to open particular document from so-and-so pages. So I said like, just open it as a blank document. And if you have macros, you can enable it. If you have to rename the variable produced for Excel instance, you could do that. And post that, what you had to do is like you have to use write action to write this Excel value, right? So just choose that write to Excel spreadsheet as an action, and then Excel instance will be auto-populated. The variable, this is nothing but the data table which we extracted from web page is what I just wanted to write it. If you want to write it in a specific cell, just mention the specific cell. But right now, I don't want to mention any specific cell. I just want to go ahead and write it in the active cell. So just mention as an active cell. And post that. Either you can directly go to close Excel or you can go to save Excel and then close Excel. I'll show both, whichever is convenient for you. You can use it. Even in close Excel, it will ask whether you want to save a document, you want to use save as document. If it's a save as document, it will ask you to choose the format and then probably path of the location file where it has been placed. So for example, for now, I just want to choose something under here as a sample Excel. So this Excel file will be used to write the data and the active cell will be targeted. So if you use save Excel, probably the same action, whatever we use it in the close instance will be there. But if you want to dedicatedly do that, you could do that as well. So you could see, right, save as like save Excel and save as a document. And if you use save as document, you have multiple options where whichever the format you want to pick it up, you can do that and perform the same sort of operation. So I've just like use close Excel only. Right. So now we've performed almost like writing the data into the Excel file, and things are ready for us now. So we'll go back to our Power Automate and see like how this can be triggered and see what exactly the end result will be produced. Right. I'll go here and just triggered it, and you can see the status which is running. And the pad window open, Power Automate like web browser is open. So it could see the web page is getting loaded. Once this is getting to loaded, and you will be able to see the bot will be helping to move to next pages till the 5th page and extract all the data from here. Then you can see it in the taskbar. Your Excel application is open and it write the data and probably save it, right? So this is how the complete action was taken place, and we'll see whether the automation status is currently in editing mode, right? It will take a couple of seconds to complete it. So meanwhile, we'll go to our Excel file, which is loaded recently, and see whether that got successfully added all the items. Yeah. So you can see, right, all the data are extracted from the web page from multiple pages and loaded into this Excel worksheet. So this is the way where you could either write a data table to Excel, or you can directly scrap from web page and directly write it into Excel worksheet as well. So probably this is what I just wanted to cover in this short session for you to understand, like how do we write a table to Excel file and save it. And probably in the upcoming session, I'll come with new scenarios with a few more examples. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.